Just when you thought your PureSpa couldn't get any more blissful, did you know it's saltwater ready? All you need is the titanium cell saltwater conversion kit to get the most from your PureSpa experience. Your spa can be even cleaner and easier to maintain, without added chemicals. Plus, salt water is just more comfortable and relaxing. Here's how salt filtration works. When you add salt, the salt molecules dissolve and pass through an electrolytic cell, where they split and turn into chlorine. The chlorine kills bacteria, then reverts to salt, leaving you with fresh, clean water. It's as simple as plugging the conversion kit's electrolytic titanium cell into the control base of your PureSpa and activating it. Then just add the recommended amount of salt to your spa water. The rest is automatic. Let the saltwater filtration system take care of your PureSpa sanitation for you. For more details, please consult your PureSpa owner's manual. Enjoy your soothing saltwater PureSpa from Intex.